Good day, New York, and welcome back to the channel. This is street number 2. This is called the Cranberry Street, as in fruity. So this is only street number 1 with the fruit thing. Anyways, so we're right here at Columbia Heights and Cranberry, and then there's 2 more. So we're gonna be saying them as we go. This is the second street, but the first one in Cranberry as a fruit. Let me show you guys where I am, and then we'll head back on our journey. And again, this is Brooklyn. This is Brooklyn. We start the journey on Cranberry Street now, heading eastbound. So again, guys, 3 out of the 9 streets are not gonna reach Catman, and I'll show you which ones. And then streets 2, 3, and 4, which are the fruits. I call them the Fruit Loops. That's where they're gonna be doing. This is the first one. This is the first one right now. Coming up at Cranberry Street, Willow Street, heading eastbound. Here in Brooklyn. Check it out, guys. That's a single house there, man. I bet you that's really old, man. That's gotta be really old. There's some houses here that are really 1800s. Yeah. Coming up at Cranberry Street, Hicks Street, heading eastbound. See? Hicks Street, Cranberry, heading eastbound. Check out that house, guys. Nice. And this is a park here. Check it. Check out the park. Now, guys, with this street in particular, this Cranberry, it ends back there. You see the wall in the background? It ends there, but we can go through the. It's like a garden, like a plaza. So we're gonna go through it and go around it, back west again. Like I said, guys, before I do any videos, I analyze them, and I saw this in Google, and I figured, you know what? Let me. I was planning on finishing it and then going back again westbound, but because there's entries up there, so I'm gonna do that. Check it out. And this is the Assumption. This is the metal church. And check it out. I never seen a church that's fully. It's like a house, guys. So this church, out of the other churches that I've seen, check it out. This one, that would be like Tower 1 and Tower 2, but they're close. It's like a whole unit, you know what I'm saying? Because mostly churches are like separate, like you got your middle and then you have your 2 towers, but this one is one single unit. Okay, we keep moving, guys. And as you can see, there's another metal church right here. There's 2 churches back to back. This one and this one, but I guess the entrance is on the other side. So when we do the other street, we're gonna check it out. But the 2 metal churches back to back. Here on Cranberry. You see, I guess that's when we came from down there, straight through this aisle here, guys. And like I say, guys, normally I would enter the video back there, but I'm gonna, just so that we can extend the video, because you can see it's only, what, 3 blocks? Again, 5 to 6 blocks long right here. And check this out, guys. Nice. Peacocks. And there's another one back there too. And then this is the Cranlin. Check out the building in the middle. Nice. It almost resembles that of the Empire State Building. They got something like that in the Empire State Building. So we keep moving. That's called the Cranlin. It's almost kind of like Cranberry. Coming up at Cranberry Street, Henry Street, heading eastbound. So you see, normally Cranberry will end here and we just go around it, but we're gonna go through it, through this side, just so we can extend the video a little bit, guys. But again, this place is beautiful, man. Again, I've never been here before, but you know, it's really cool, man. See? So we're gonna extend the video all the way around this. So let me see. So basically they got this here. They got this block here, but I'm gonna go anyway and just go around it, and then we're gonna go around it and go through the exit, heading back east again. But this is, yeah, I don't know if they're gonna fix this. These are like for construction. Anyways, we're gonna go through here, guys. And this is Whitman owner, private property, no trespassing. Yeah, okay. Okay, and again, this is Catman Plaza. Catman Plaza Street or Catman Plaza Avenue? It looks like an avenue. It's big. Anyways, so now we're gonna go take the other entrance back there and head back east again. Let me show you the park back there, guys. Again, there's too many places to explore. I can probably say I'm gonna check this one out, but it will take time, man, because New York City is big, man. With New York City and Manhattan alone is big as it is. And now we go through here, guys. You see, we got the other one. But now you see this. Let me go around and show you this, guys. This is an entire island back there. All this here. And now we go through here, guys, and check it out. Check this beautiful stuff here. Again, guys, these things look like that from the precincts. See, this one and this one. I think I saw one of these in the Columbia Heights back there when I was doing Columbia Heights. Automatically, the precincts come to mind. See, another one. See, two more. 1 and 2. That's what it comes to mind. And now we go back here, guys, and we reconnect, heading eastbound again. Coming up at Cranberry Street, Henry Street, heading westbound. That is Bevaco. And this is, I think it says Jules. Again, guys, if you ever go to visit the Empire State Building, you're gonna see a plaque like that, almost identical, because that one resembles what the Empire State Building has. This one is called the Cranlin. So basically, I think that like maybe a couple of those around the Empire State Building, but they're the same plaque, guys. And again, it's got the Pavo Reales, the peacocks. And let me see if I can find anything on this side, guys. But this is cool, man. It's really peaceful around here. I like this. This is what suburban's supposed to be. Again, this is, see, founded in 1842. So yes, it's old, guys. And this is Assumption Parish of the Virgin Mary. Again, there's two metal churches back to back. That one back there and this one right here. So this is really cool, man. Brooklyn has some really pretty good sites, man. And again, that's the that is a park back there, guys. Hello. Coming up at Cranberry Street, Hicks Street, heading westbound. You see, construction. They're fixing the sidewalk in this one. Coming up at Cranberry Street, Willow Street. Check it out, guys. I do not know what that means. It says 911. Duh. Okay, I have no clue, guys. Cranberry, Willow Street, heading westbound. Check that out, guys. See, that's really cool. So basically, guys, for this street, I'm gonna close circuit. So I'm gonna finish the video where I started it. And again, you know, there's not a lot here. I mean, the buildings are, you know, what is this? Check it out. Oh, check it out, guys. Again, another one. Mott Bedell House, 1840. I'm telling you, man, these streets here, these streets are really old, man. Circa 1840s, man. Because all I've seen is 40, 42, 46. So this area is like circa 1840s, man. All this, just in this street anyway. Check this out, man. I like this pull-out balconies. That's what I call it. Like pull them out. Pull-out balconies. Balconies. And back there, guys, is my New York City, Manhattan. #1 city besides Mexico. Okay, guys, thanks for joining me on this journey. And again, Cranberry Street, Columbia Heights. And I will see you somewhere in time. Bye.